Hello, I'm Matt Olds with Heartland RV, General Manager of the Elkridge Fifth Wheel line. And today we're at our facility in Middlebury, Indiana, where this unit's built, and just wanted to go around some of the new key features on this all-new Elkridge Fifth Wheel. Starting on the outside, we got our all-new platinum exterior. We got our two-tone painted front cap, which we actually paint this in-house here at one of our Middlebury plants, so we were able to control all the quality control for that paint job. As you can see, our platinum exterior, it's a gray fiberglass. It continues throughout the coach with the nice blue touches of the graphics, which actually offer a 5-year warranty. One thing that's important with our Elkridge construction is our sidewalls. We use 2 layers of Asdale composite when we laminate our sidewalls. What's great about Asdale is it has less than a 1% chance of delamination versus traditional Luan, which a lot of our competition uses today. Here we are on our awning side. I wanted to show you our all-new patent-pending Stor-Mor storage system. What we've done with the storage area is we've changed it where we don't have the partition in the front. We got 3 different areas where you can access the storage. With our new Stor-Mor storage system, what we've done is we moved a lot of your controls and everything over to this side where you have your hydraulic pump, your built-in inverter, battery disconnects, fuses. And by opening this panel up, we give you this 3rd access point, so it really opens up all your storage. And what's nice versus a traditional storage system is you don't have that panel in the way. So if there's things you need to access, you don't have to worry about being able to just access it from one side or the other. And with doing that, we shifted our compartment down, which this would be, if you got the generator or generator prep option, that's where this would go. Here on the exterior of the all-new Elkridge Platinum Edition, one thing I wanted to show you too is we do the MORride step above. And not only do we do it on your main entrance door, but any floor plans that has 2 entrances, we put the MORride step above on both doors. Another thing to also note is we put a big enough awning that will always cover both entrance doors. So if it's raining, you're always going to be covered. And then full-size grab handle assist for getting into the coach. Another thing we wanted to show you, on most floor plans we offer the outside kitchen standard. And on our outside kitchen, we got the 3.2 cubic foot full-size dorm fridge. We have a lot of nice storage out here. We have a sink. We also have a TV backer and plumb for a TV. Another nice thing, we actually put a metal top out here versus a Formica or something. If it gets wet, you don't have to worry about it getting damaged over time. And we make sure on all of our outside kitchens that we keep them as low to the ground as possible in the slides. So when you get this coach leveled out, your outside kitchen isn't too far out. Thanks for coming out and taking a look at the all-new Elkridge Fifth Wheel out of our Middlebury, Indiana facility. To check one out in person, check out your local dealer. There's a dealer locator on our website and also more information at heartlandrvs.com.